How to log into ADP Employee Account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Now type in ADP Employee Login and search for it. Now click on the very first website option, ADP Logins, open it. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now over here you can find two sections, Common Logins, and scroll down, All Logins. Under that you can find different sections. Head towards the section of For Employees. Now select the option for which you want to log in. I'm gonna select this one, Change My Direct Deposit. Now again you have to select the option that you want to log in for. After you select it, you will land to the login page. Now you have to type in your user ID. In the case you want to save your login info, you can check in for this option, Remember User ID. After you type in that, you can click on the option of Next. In the case you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on this option to recover it. Now in the next page, you have to type in the password, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into ADP Employee Account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.